guys, this is the next design I made. Instead of having it cut like groove, I just do it that way. And there's two of them. Okay, so this is nicely firmly on. This will go inside there somehow. And what I got to do then is decide how long what it is from there to the end. So this will be like this, from there to the end of this kind of thing. So this, where's it gone? Okay, so this will go there like this. So I got to decide how long the rod's supposed to be from there to there. Now, I realized what I did wrong. So this will be swiveling, that will swivel, but this will not swivel. This will be permanently there. And let's hope that one works. So I'll test it out. So this will be like this, permanently in there like that, and this will swivel. So I'll decide how long this is, cut it out, drill it off, and then we'll test it again. Temporary fix. Okay guys, so we've done it up to there. These are, like I said, temporary there because I've left my 3mm screws at home, so I just put them to check it, and the redesigning of it actually works now. So that's that. It wouldn't it wouldn't turn like this. It's a little bit stiff at the moment, but it will work once I loosen a few things a bit. But yeah, stiff, but it will work. See, so the important thing was to get these at the right and these in the right place, because if they came out, that'd be no good. So yeah, as you can see, a little bit of stiffness there, but once everything is placed properly, it'll work. So this is what I'm going to leave it like that there anyway. So the next step here, brass here, another brass here, and drill a hole right through, so that it's like a, what do you call it, rotary engine. So they'll sort that out like a rotary engine, somehow fit them in and stuff like that. Let's do that much first, and then we'll talk about this here, how it's going to work, because I'm not 100% sure. Yeah.